We're here at CES 2019, checking out the latest from House of Marley. Now, if you don't know this company, it was founded by the Marley family, that's Bob Marley and company, and one of the coolest things about it is it's all made from sustainable materials, including their new true wireless headphones, the Liberate Air. Now, you can look at these things. This is bamboo inside, it's bamboo on the outside, very cool design. We didn't get them to fit quite as well as we like, but we think it's also because of this ear tip here. We did get to listen to them. They sound very good. One of the coolest things about these is that because of a new chip, they actually offer a ton more battery than most true wireless headphones on the market right now, including 7 hours on a charge. That's a good amount for a true wireless headphone. Like I said, they also sound good. They don't have too much bass. A lot of Marley products in the past did, but these are tuned a little bit better. Nice, clear sound. I listened to some Bob Marley on them. They sounded very good. That's not the only product, of course. They have some other cool things. Let's check out these new headphones. These are the new Exodus ANC. Now, these are a 24-hour battery life, 35 hours without active noise cancellation. We didn't get a chance to hear these. They're not quite tuned right just yet, but they do have a pretty cool design, nice materials here. And again, this is all sustainable materials here. They use recycled aluminum. All of the materials inside here, even the electronics, as far as we know, are from sustainable stuff. So it's good for the earth, and you know, they make cool designs as well, as you can see here. And finally, let's look at the Get Together Mini GVA. This is an actual Google speaker made out of bamboo. This material here is made from recyclables as well. The interior is made from recyclables. You can see it has the Hey Google button on top. You can also just leave it on and it's always listening, or you can mute the microphone back there. This also has Bluetooth and it has a battery, so you can use it for 6 hours on the battery, but pretty cool design. Again, we're not able to really hear it on the floor here and see how it sounds, but you can see it doesn't look like any other Google Assistant speaker on the market right now. Now this is gonna be $220. The Liberate Air are gonna be $150. And the Exodus, we expect them to be around $250. So some very cool new products from House of Marley, all of them sustainable. So we like that. And we're also looking forward to getting a chance to go ears on with all of this.